wizard.
Alright, good morning everyone. I hope you're all having a great day so far. God bless everyone and all praise be to Jesus Christ. So I know last night video, the evening update, we were saying we get above here, we come through this VWAP, 99k is going to be our next resistance, and she did just that, came right up to 99k and got rejected. We are on our way back down to this golden pocket, right? Red dot, that's a decent wave up there. Money flow still in the red. Let's see what kind of curve does she have. She is coming out. I was looking at the 15 and 10 minute while ago. Oh man, you already put in another red dot on the 15. Okay, there was a good green dot right here, and I figured we'd be able to put in some bull dibs. I did see money flow coming out. The RSIs are gapped, and your VWAP on market cipher B is also curving down. So we're about to hit 96k. I don't know if I'll have the video out by then, but that would look back at the 10 minute because she was doing the same. Okay, yeah, 10 minute money flow coming out. RSIs have gotten tight together, so we could be seeing a bounce soon in the short to immediate term. VWAP is getting ready to cross over, so we're about to hit this 96.1. Okay, if we lose this 96.100 level, the last little 6.5 right here, you can expect price to come down to this 93k, because we've already lost the intraday VWAP. Okay, and if we're not holding the 93k here, this spider line has caught us before. She has caught us before, but I'm still eyeing 90k right at this quarter 3 VWAP. I'm still looking for that, and looks like price is going to come lower here soon, and we'll probably start gaining some momentum. But with money flow coming out, VWAP crossing down, she's going to be coming down just a little bit. Let's go to the 30 minute. Let's see what this is looking like. Money flows coming out. RSIs are together, coming straight down. VWAP shooting up, but I expect it to reject off that zero line more than likely. Just with the red dot coming on the 15 minute. So she may not even get up to the zero line. Money flows coming out. We could see in the next 23 minutes the VWAP just kind of curve back down and this wave continue to get deeper. The 45 minute, same case. 1 hour VWAP shooting down. We already went over the money flow there. Let's go to our 4 hour, or 2 hour actually is printing a blood diamond. She has an hour and a half to confirm this blood diamond. But we know what happens with blood diamonds, and it's actually the first time in a while I've seen 3 blood diamonds on the 2 hours so close together. Okay, this is within a 5 day span from here to here. That's 5 days, and it's been a while. Take my glasses off for a second. You got one here. You got one here, but that's not 5 days. That's more than 5 days. That's 17 days. So there were 17 days between the last ones, and we got 3 of them in the last 5. Here's 1, 2, and then there's a third one. So you had 2 of them relatively close, and then that second one, man, she brought you down. The first one brought you down. 1, 2, 3, maybe right here. That's 13 days. Okay, so even 13 days. But just in the last 5 days, we got 3 blood diamonds on this 2 hour chart. And we've already been over, if you've been following the channel, we've already been over the 4 day, how she confirmed the red dot. Not just the red dot, but bear divs. Bear divs on momentum, bear divs on money flow, bear divs on VWAP. And that's across the board on all these higher time frames. As you can see, there's just bear divs on not only momentum, which, I mean, that's scary enough, right? We know what happens with bear divs on momentum, but now there's bear divs on money flow, bear divs on VWAPs, the bear divs on everything. So it only makes sense that we're probably going to come down lower. I just foresee 90k I foresee maybe even lower. We'll go ahead and go over this low volume profile again. I think I need to add it. See, I don't have anything in here but market cipher. If you got market cipher, what else do you need? Maybe a little volume profile. What is it? Visible range. There she is. Alright. And I'll show you my settings for the visible range here. Like 200 as my row size, and I'll keep the volume area at 70. Okay, so now we can really see. Alright, so right here at 90K, really you get about 87K is if you start losing 87K, but more than likely if you lose this 90K VWAP, you're going to come down to at least this previous VWAP right here. It's one of the monthly quarter VWAPs, quarter 2 of 2024. Okay, and that's where you would hope to stop, but you're probably going to come down. You lose this because we've already been over. There's no volume here. This is past all-time highs. Our previous all-time high was 69K. This is at 75K, and there was no resistance. That's why you went up so fast. You went up so fast, and you didn't. There's nothing to trade here. There's no volume here at all. You see how low the gap is. Okay, you can see how low that gap is. If we lose these levels at 90K, there's going to be a pretty quick fall back down because there's no volume to actually catch us there. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on that. Back to the 1 hour. I think we got what, 20 minutes. Let's see what the 20 minute is doing. Looks like that VWAP is about to curve down on market cipher B. Looks like she's going to get rejected. I mean, she very well could come over. But just that little turn to the downside. Keep an eye on that with money flow coming out. Money flow's coming out on all these lower time frames right now, guys. That's something to be aware of. She could just splash out and come right back in. We've seen her do it plenty of times. But with all the bearish signs on the higher time frames, I would just keep an eye on her. Looks like we could be catching a bounce soon on this 10 minute. If we can see this 1 hour kind of curve up with this 10 minute bouncing, money flow has to curve better than what we're seeing now. She's just shooting straight down. We get some decent bear divs with the 15 bull divs, with the 15 putting in bull divs as well. As long as that 1 hour is backing us, maybe money flow coming in, maybe we're getting a good green dot. As long as that 1 hour is backing us, we can probably take a quick little scalp bounce back to 100K. But in and out of these trades right now, a lot of volatility. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm feeling like we're going to come down to 96 soon. You might see a bounce there, but really the 68K low VWAP at 95 would make sense for the bounce. If we wanted to see the bull divs on these 10 and 15 minute time frames, it would make sense to come down this low to see the momentum get bullish. Okay, and we need to make sure the momentum is getting bullish, because right here, you know, these aren't bull divs. None of this is bull divs, so there's no bullish momentum right now, which is probably going to cause lower lows. Okay, I should be back in a few hours. What time is it? Almost 11. Yeah, so I'll try to come back around 2 or 3, give another update, and then close out with the evening video tonight. Once again, thank you to everybody who liked, subscribed to my videos. Almost at 80. We are pushing it. We've been nailing these levels. We know exactly what we're doing, what we're watching for. I just thank y'all for being a part of the community. Let's keep going, man. That'll do it for me. I'll be back soon. Y'all have a good day. I'm out.